NFS provide technology to help with scheduling and much more help for facilities. Louis, do you want to talk us through what NFS do?
Absolutely. So NFS is a technology company. We work really in two main areas: in the hospitality market, where our customers are hotels and restaurants typically, and increasingly we've been working in the facilities space. So facilities meaning large organizations with meeting space, flexible space, different types of workplace, but also meeting venues that a lot of people go for events, important occasions, business meetings. So we do both ends of that facility spectrum.
So that suggests that you have quite a large spectrum of clients. Would that be correct to say?
We have over 1,500 customers in the UK across the different market segments, hospitality being one, it's our largest segment, and then followed by facilities, meeting venues, large corporations.
So what do NFS do that other competitors don't?
I think there are three things that are important in terms of our proposition. The first is we're a very service-oriented company, so the technology is an enabler for us. Our customers buy us because they get great service. That's very important. Secondly, we're always thinking about the next important user community that we need to address. So now it's mobile. A year ago it was video conferencing, and how do we deal with that? So we're trying and bear the user in mind in terms of what are they going to need from our technology. Because technology as an abstract tool is really of very little value. And I guess the third thing is we try and make our solutions affordable and flexible. So we have a cloud-based solution for smaller clients who haven't got a large budget but still need the technology. And for larger organizations, they can buy the software and deploy it in-house.
So can people walking by see the technology sort of here today?
Technology here today, they can see it online, they can watch our videos which are available through our website, so there's a whole range of ways of getting familiar with what we do.
So talk us through your software in a little bit more detail, because I know that it's on display as you mentioned. There's an app as well which we can have a look at.
Okay, so think about meeting space, think about flexible space. Meeting space needs to be managed, it needs to be booked, it needs to be service delivered. So a lot of meetings require catering, audio-visual, video conferencing. And in the old days, you'd write it up in a diary, and you'd maybe send a piece of paper around, and you'd pick up the phone and talk to catering. Those days have gone. Today you will go in, potentially through Outlook, book your meeting, book a multi-location meeting, and then everything behind that you've done. So if you booked catering, the service providers within the catering function are made aware. If you booked a video conference and you need to change the meeting time or the number of attendees, we have automation between our booking system and video conference management. If you've got a commercial meeting venue and you need to charge for the service or take a deposit from a customer, we can do that for you. So the whole spectrum from the inquiry through to the booking process, through to the charging. And charging internally is chargeback. We do all of that. We do it through Outlook, we do it through the web, and we do it through mobile.
It's very thorough service.
We're doing it through self-service kiosks. Yeah.
Excellent. So why is it so important for you to be at the Facilities Expo this year?
Well, this is probably the most important event to engage with other people in the facilities business. I think it's a rapidly changing market today, and in some ways facilities has a little bit of catching up to do as a function. Mobility is changing the way we work. Flexible space and the use of agile technologies are changing what customers are looking for. And we need to engage with all of those communities, the end user, the facilities providers, the technology providers within large organizations. Secondly, I think for ideas, there's a lot of good ideas that come from being in a place like this. You see things in a different perspective. And I'm also happen to be speaking. I'm speaking at one of the workplace events today. So that's another reason I'm here today.
Excellent. Well, I wish you the very, very best of luck with that. And do pay NFS a visit as well. Louis, thank you very much.
Thank you.